the warrants all in my face. Damn, I thought this shit was legal, boy, that's just not the case. Now I'm fighting the case, but the laws in the state ain't the same as the federal, so now these charges away. You got me stressing, shit depressing, couple miles away. At the dispensary, they selling weed every day.
From a clone in the seed, they're consuming the weed.